December 28th, Pendleton County, Kentucky. It is about 20 minutes after 1. We have a northbound train on the Cincinnati to Corbin sub. Don't know what it is, but we're going to find out shortly. Going to make an appearance any second now. I see headlights. See if we get a horn salute. Looks like an ethanol maybe. Got a blue locomotive, it looks like. That looks special. Something about that one.
Nice and shiny. Not an ethanol train, it's a manifest. I believe this is the 542. If I remember right, the 541 southbound, the 542 is northbound. Daily manifest. Got a couple of nice new, looks like nice new shiny cars coming up. More shiny blue. Hot ash. Going back to the Great White North. Telephone poles. We got some cribbing on here. Breeze, making my hands cold. Are we going to have a DPU? I believe we might. I believe there's one coming up. Not sure, but I think there is. It's a big train. There's the DPU. There's a rocking car in front. Out of the DPU. This is a big train. I've seen just about everything except for the kitchen sink. That may show up, who knows? This
gondola there on the end. Relatively new, no graffiti. Now that was a large train. Yes, it is the 542 headed north. Well, thanks for watching. It paid off to stay down here for a little bit. We're done.